Every kid has a first moment with money. It might be getting a small allowance, holding a coin for the first time, or watching their parents argue about bills behind a closed door. But here's the secret adults forget. A child's relationship with money is shaped long before they ever earn a cent. And in a world built on spending, apps, subscriptions, digital payments, and instant gratification, kids are growing up understanding how to use money, but not how money works. The question isn't, should kids learn about money? The real question is, what happens if they don't? Today, we go deep into the how, the why, and the truth no one tells parents about teaching kids financial intelligence. There's a reason wealthy families stay wealthy, even when generations change. It's not genetics. It's not luck. It's not connections. It's education. Not the school kind, the financial kind. Kids learn values before they learn vocabulary. They absorb habits before they understand consequences. And money is no different. If a child grows up seeing money as something stressful, something scarce, something adults fight about, something you avoid, something you chase, then that child grows into an adult who repeats the same emotional patterns. But when kids grow up understanding money as a tool, a resource, a choice, a responsibility, a system, their entire trajectory changes. Because the earlier the understanding, the deeper the mindset, and the stronger the relationship they build with money for life. Financial intelligence isn't a lesson, it's a language, and kids learn languages best when they're young. Most parents assume kids will figure money out when they grow up, or that school will eventually teach them. But here's the illusion. Schools teach kids how to make money, not how to manage it. They teach math, history, biology, chemistry, but not saving, investing, assets, credit, debt, taxes, inflation, value, or discipline. So kids learn everything except the thing they'll use every single day of their lives. And the world around them is teaching the opposite of wisdom. Video games teach instant gratification, social media teaches comparison, ads teach consumption, influencers teach shortcuts, apps teach spending, society teaches entitlement. Kids are being trained, just not trained for wealth. The illusion says, let them enjoy childhood. The truth says, childhood is when wealth habits are built. Money used to be physical. Cash, coins, envelopes. Kids could see money, touch it, understand its weight. But now, money is invisible. It's numbers on a screen, one-click purchases, auto-renew subscriptions, credit cards, digital wallets, online games, microtransactions, virtual currencies. Kids aren't growing up in the same economy their parents did. They're entering a world where money moves faster than attention, where a single click can create debt, where decisions are made by algorithms, and where financial mistakes last longer than childhood. This means one thing. Not teaching kids about money is no longer harmless. It's dangerous. Because the world will teach them, but not in their favor. Give your kids a smarter future. Subscribe now and learn the money lessons no school will ever teach. So how do you teach money to kids without overwhelming them, boring them, or turning it into fear? You teach it like a skill, like reading, like walking, like confidence. Slowly, practically, meaningfully. Here's the philosophy. 1. Teach by behavior, not lectures. Kids mimic what they see. If you panic about money, they learn fear. If you talk about money openly, they learn clarity. 2. Make money visible again. Use real cash for small lessons. Let them feel it. Let them see it leave their hand and enter their savings jar. 3. Introduce the concept of earning, not receiving. Give kids small responsibilities, not as punishment, but as empowerment. Money is something you create, not something you wait for. 4. Teach the difference between wants and priorities. Not no, but let's decide what matters more. This builds internal discipline, not external obedience. 5. Show them what an asset is early. Explain simply. An asset is something that gives you money. A liability is something that takes your money. Kids understand more than we think. 6. Replace the word rich with free. Kids shouldn't chase wealth, they should chase independence. It plants a healthier mindset. 7. Screen time money rules. Digital worlds spend digital money. Teach them limits. Teach them responsibility in the virtual world the same way you do in the real one. 8. Involve them in real conversations, not the stressful ones, the learning ones. Budgeting, saving, goals, plans. 9. Teach generosity. A child who learns how to give confidently grows into an adult who doesn't fear money. 10. Celebrate decisions, not outcomes. Kids won't always get it right. The point is understanding, not perfection. Because money education isn't about turning kids into mini investors. It's about turning them into mentally strong adults. Maybe money education isn't about teaching kids how to become wealthy. Maybe it's about teaching them how to avoid becoming trapped. Because financial freedom doesn't start the day you earn money. It starts the day you understand it. And a child who learns that early grows into an adult who doesn't fear bills, debt, risk, discipline, or opportunity. They grow into someone who leads life, not someone life controls. Think beyond the numbers. This is Fund Money Mental.